Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make yellowfin tuna sashimi. First, choose a high-quality, sushi-grade yellowfin tuna loin, ideally around 1 pound. It's crucial to have a very sharp knife, as this ensures clean, smooth cuts without tearing the delicate fish. Before you start slicing, gently pat the tuna completely dry with paper towels to remove any excess moisture. This preparation step is key for perfect sashimi. Now, let's move on to slicing. Begin by cutting your tuna loin into uniform blocks, each about 1.5 inches thick. When slicing, always go against the grain of the fish. Aim for pieces that are roughly 1/4 of an inch thick. Remember to use a single, smooth, and fluid motion for each slice. This technique prevents tearing and helps maintain the tuna's delicate texture and appearance. Once your tuna is perfectly sliced, it's time for plating. Arrange the sashimi artfully on a chilled plate. This helps keep the fish fresh and enhances the dining experience. Serve your beautiful sashimi immediately with traditional accompaniments like high-quality soy sauce, a dab of fresh wasabi, and some pickled ginger. For an extra touch, consider garnishing with thinly sliced daikon radish or a vibrant shiso leaf. For truly perfect sashimi, always keep your tuna very cold throughout the entire preparation process. This helps maintain its firmness and freshness. Don't be afraid to practice your knife skills. Consistent, even slices come with experience and make a big difference in presentation and taste. Also, for a truly transformative read on personal finance, check out the link in the description for a recommended book, along with other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade yellowfin tuna sashimi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.